Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change profile name in TikTok. If you're using TikTok and I want to change your profile name, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right and here just tap on the edit option under your profile option here and here you have to select whether you want to change your name or your username. As I'm going to change my name, so just select name from here and then you have to edit your name. So you can see that your name can only be changed once every 7 days. So once you have changed your name, you will be unable to change it until 7 days. So you just have to change your name and after 7 days you can rechange it. So let's say I'm gonna change it. So once you have changed your name, just tap on the save option in the top right and your name will be saved. Just tap on this confirm option here and your name will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your TikTok profile name. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.